What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to my trade recap for Thursday, January 8th. Bang! Let me get some W's in the chat from everyone who took this. We had 100 people in here. Right? Let me get some W's from everybody who took this. We had way more. We had double the people hit take profit with us at the same time. It was fire. And now we are on YouTube going over all of it. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about this trade that we took today. Let's talk about this win that we took today. A $10.8 thousand win, 10.7 thousand, whatever you want to say. Up $29.3 thousand for the month of January right now. We've been trading 5 days of this month, okay? 5 days. And this is what we've so far been able to hit, right? So you can see right here, bang, perfect take profit here, perfect execution, perfect exit. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Look at those. Oh, wow. Look at those. 53 points here. Oh, it's just beautiful. So we're going to delete this here. We're going to go over our setup and why we actually ended up taking this. Now, right, higher time frame. What do we see, right? Last night, we started, or yesterday afternoon, after we swept out this higher time frame 4-hour high, which I had been waiting for a long time, which was this high here. We ended up taking that and then dumping down. We took that high and we started to switch from a bullish market structure, making higher highs and higher lows, to bearish market structure, making lower highs and lower lows, right? So now we're in bearish market structure. We had a almost A-shaped reversal, right here. Then we can see on the 15-minute time frame, right at market open, we get a huge dump down, right? Huge dump down. No idea why, but sometimes market will do that, right? Market came down, we dumped, and then look what happened, right? I was not on for the first hour of AM session, or not, what was it? Yeah, I was not on for the first hour or so of AM session, and as you can see here, boom, price comes back up into this 15-minute gap, right? We start to get, a little bit of movement inside that gap, but the most important thing about where we tapped into on this 15-minute gap is, look, from the high of this candle, or the low to the high of this candle, we tapped the exact 50% range of this candle itself, okay? 50% range of that candle, boom, and then we rejected it, and then we started to move lower. So we went to the 5-minute time frame. We saw that we have an SMT here, right? Or 15-minute SMT technically too. So SMT inside that 15-minute gap, and then what did we get? Boom, scaled the 1-minute time frame. We get an SMT inside this 15-minute gap right here. So double SMT there, external SMT there, internal SMT here because it's right before our trade. Then we get this 1-minute inversion. I take that short, 1 to 2 risk to reward. We go break even at this 1-minute gap here. We play around in the 1-minute gap for a little bit, and then bang, we deliver all the way down. Bang. So light work here, and as you can see, we're going to continue to go lower. I would actually honestly say if you wanted to hold this trade and you never went break even, you could have held it to the New York AM low. You could hold it to even lower down here, which is, I believe, this 4-hour low. Yeah, this 4-hour low here, this 4-hour gap here. These are all good targets for us to take. This is a great swing for us to take as well. And yeah, this is a beautiful day, guys. This is a very simple trade, very easy trade, perfect A+ motion model setup. External SMT, internal SMT, W rejection, crazy, and obviously delivered to the 1 to 2 profit target that we set every single day. So crushed it today. Absolutely crushed it. Everyone inside the exclusive Discord also caught this signal, this exact trade with my exact analysis, my exact thought process, all of this. So every single person in here won today. I won today. Over the course of this week, our track record since starting live trading has been this. We won on Monday. We ended up green on Monday, $10,000. Ended up green on, Ended up green on Tuesday, $10,000 again. And then ended up red yesterday for negative 1.5R. I believe we were down about $600 per account. So what would that be? $6,000. So red $6,000. And then today, back up again, green, $10,000. So if anything, we're absolutely crushing it. The first day of the month that I did not signal for you guys, I made $6,000 on that day as well. So pretty much, it's pretty even. We made about like $30,000 overall total profit. So pretty fire for only 5 trading days of this month. And I'm continuing to prove all of you guys who think that the motion model doesn't work or that I don't know what I'm doing, I don't know how to trade, wrong. So we've been crushing it. Everyone in the exclusive's crushing it. If you want to join, I'm going to put the link down below. I had a discount code I put out 2 days ago, code 20K, because we made 20K in 2 days. So that discount code will save you $50. Link in the bio. And yeah, let's crush it, boys. Peace, YouTube. Peace out. And fuck everyone who doubted.